Hey, good morning, fellas. Trader J and Omar, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is this market on? This market is a beast. Look at this. We are we're about 10 points away from making all-time highs. Hey, Charles Ward, good morning. John, good morning. So, just absolutely crazy. Absolutely some crazy price action. Maybe I need to start just buying anything that touches this 200 MA on the 4-hour chart. Could have made some pretty sick moves. Wow. I mean, you got to think we're going to just make new all-time highs today, right? Market only goes higher. That's what we always say. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. Harshal, good morning. Kid Poker, good morning. NQ Addict, good morning. Hard Hat Trading, good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? Charles Ward, good morning. Let's have us a good day. I'm going to blow a eval on an insane move up. I'm telling you, it's crazy, man. I was scalping this move higher. This pullback here almost got me. That was a close one. Scared. I was scared. But we survived. Okay. Hey, good morning, design. I have a tip. Everyone lean in really, really close to the monitor and listen very, very closely. Just going to whisper it. The market only goes up. This is true. Yeah, I hear you, Kid Poker, but the market, you have to understand, the market is not rational. The market is not rational. The market doesn't doesn't care, doesn't think. Where did I get my chart trader? This is a chart trader from Affordable Indicators, which I really, really like. Like this buy click and sell click is really love it. There's a link in the description below. I think you can save like 33% if you use my code if you want. You don't have to, but if you want to save additionally, it is kind of an expensive. I think the enhanced version will get you all these features if I remember correctly. But I don't promote it that much because it is pretty expensive. Man, what a move. I don't know what to expect. I actually this is I feel like this is one of the harder things to trade. Hey Steve Thompson, no problem. Trader J. Hey Gregory, good morning. Good morning. But it is, hey, Willie Adams, good morning. Nice to see you back. It is really hard to trade. I feel like it's hard. I mean, we are right at the previous all-time highs. And I mean, if we look at the weekly chart, like this kind of puts it in perspective. Like this cute little pullback we had was just that, a cute pullback. I mean, if we rip above the 120s here, I don't know, man. It's the thing to remember, guys. This is something that I've just taken note of. It's Friday, and sometimes on Fridays we have those just slow grind higher days, and nothing like just a steady uptrend all day long. Not saying that will happen, but I've seen it on Fridays. I've seen it before. But it's so hard. I feel like it's really hard to trade this. You almost have to wait to get a pullback. Yeah, it's crazy. Hey, Perfect Play, good morning. How we doing? Visual Trader, good morning. Sorry if I missed anyone, but good morning, everyone. Mr. Wall Street, I see you. Good morning. Go SPVC, I see you. Good morning. Hard Hat Trading, good morning. Matty Matt, hey, good morning. Let's get it. Having an okay day so far. So just a news flash. So on this account, we are back to trading our normal streaming account here, and we will be trading micros. I switched back to trading micros. I just don't really feel like it's worth. I just don't feel like it's worth me trying to do something dumb and trading minis. So we're going to trade micros, and we're going to look for, if we can get 100, 150 in profit per day, then that would be great. Market is open. All right. Not a huge rip right off the open here. I think the market doesn't know what it wants to do. Hey, Paint Bar Trading, good morning. Alchifi, good morning. Real Steel Hammer, good morning. Hans, good morning. Hope everyone's doing great. All right, here we go. Here we go. She ripping. She gonna rip or not? Rip or dip? Okay, was that new highs? No, it wasn't. Not quite. Still have not reached new all-time highs. Okay, 120 is the all-time highs. You gotta think we're gonna test it, but there she goes. New all-time highs. Because why not? Why not? Orlando, good morning. Oh, wow. Through the 30s now. Wow, look at her go. Look at her go. She's a beaut. All right. I mean, today's definitely one of those days where I probably want to wait till like 10:30, 11 o'clock. Wait till to really wait to place a trade. I do not want to get my worst fear is buying a breakout to the upside and getting trapped. That's my nightmare. That is what we want to avoid. Oh. Getting a little bit of a pullback here. Not much though. Hey, R5 Studios, good morning. How's it going? And back up we go. Unbelievable. The market only goes up. Oh, you are Matty Matt? Let's go. Oh, let's go, Matty Matt. Hey, Nito, good morning. 2 evals passed in 3 minutes. Let's go, design. Hey, and now pulling back again. All the dips are getting bought up. Yeah, it's crazy design. It is crazy. Just feels like we're gonna. I mean, we're going to pull back at some point. You would think. Um, Not sure when. Curious if we get a bigger pullback here. Oh, wow. Look at that. We get these little pullbacks and then it just rips right through it. And if you're this is might be a good time to just watch the market. I definitely don't want to really be buying up here, but I definitely don't want to be shorting either. I would much rather buy than going short, but hey, that's just me. Hey, Moe. My Apex ID says verification has been declined. Okay, Moe, that does happen sometimes. Just reach out to support and tell them what happened and they can help you out. It's happened to other people as well. For some reason, sometimes it does that. All right, let's see. Are we going to get to new all-time highs again? I do really actually want to see this pull back. Hey, nice black coffee. Nice. Yeah, as long as these low wicks, as long as this holds, as soon as it rips, I think we're going to see a rip, pretty massive pullback. I think. Not that I think it's just going to be short lived. Okay, is this going to hold? You were hoping to blow some more evals today, but the website won't let me in. Yeah, actually, I wanted to tell my viewers if you're gonna buy evals, I would highly recommend do it in the evening because during the day, I mean, it's happened yesterday. It's gonna happen today. Like, which I guess now the weekend it shouldn't be an issue, but you might not be able to get through. Even their payment processor was having a difficult time. So I want to see if I can get on their website. I can get on their website though. Doesn't seem to be a problem. Huh. All right, let's see. Are we going to get a pullback here? I don't think, maybe not. This is. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. Pullback happening. Just going to get bought up right away. Oh, man. This market is lit. This market is crazy. Hey, Roger Sam, I'm doing just great. Doing great. I did most of my work this morning right here. I did most of my work on my other 50K accounts on this move right here. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have 6 accounts above the 2,200 profit threshold. So only $400 more. I'm actually, what if we get above the $2,600 threshold, I am actually going to freak out. Like for sure. 100%. I'm going to freak out. That drop faked me out. Yeah, I mean, it's just a buying opportunity, folks. It's a buying opportunity the way this market is acting. Absolutely insane. Thank you, Black Coffee. I appreciate it. Then buy a few 300Ks and go all in. By the way, I saw there's a guy that I've followed and he trades with Top Step. It's I think his channel name's Damn Good Trader. And it was kind of funny, I thought. So yesterday, and he's the guy that ran up his Apex, or not his Apex. He ran up his Top Step accounts to like 100,000, and I think he took out some withdrawals, but then he lost the rest of it. But yeah, he decided with this 90% sale, he went and bought 20. He bought 20 150K accounts, and he was copy trading all 20 of them yesterday. Absolutely crazy. And so yeah, it was just kind of funny to me watching him trade it, because he then he goes in max contracts, and of course the trailing drawdown on max contracts is like, dude, I mean, and then he like goes on a rant about how intraday trailing drawdown is such, how terrible it is. Like, I mean, anyway, I mean, yeah, of course it's going to be terrible if you're going to go max contracts, and that's why there is an intraday trailing drawdown. But then to make it even worse, here's what they were talking about. Like, openly talking about how they could basically scam Apex out of money. Openly talking about, hey, let's go buy 40 evals, go long 20, short 20, which that isn't, like, that is allowed. With evals, you can technically do anything you want. But then they were saying they'll do the same with funded accounts, go short on 10 and long on 10, and they can get 10 and run up a huge balance that way. Like, dude, come on, dude. One thing that I hate is when streamers are promoting things that are against the rules. Like streamers openly promoting things that are against what the rules state is, like, to me, irresponsible, because I don't know. I guess whatever, but I definitely don't want to do that. Yeah, they'll get banned. Yeah, exactly designed. But that's what I like. That's also why it's frustrating then, because then Apex is going to deny them a payout, and then they're just going to use that to further promote Top Step as legit and Apex as not paying out when they were openly going long and short in 10 and 10. Like, come on. That isn't even trading. That's just gambling. But I thought it was a pretty bad look. All right, we finally got a pullback back to the EMA. Oh, man. I want to wait. Literally, I want to wait till like 10:30ish. I want to wait till the volatility dies down, and hopefully we get just a really nice trend one, hopefully to the upside after a nice pullback. But there's also a possibility that this will be more than a pullback. We did just make new highs, so definitely got to be careful. Hmm. Okay. Oh, look at this, boys. Oh boy. We might want to scalp this. Oof. I said to wait. I'm not going to do it. Hmm. Yeah, Viter, I agree. Apex, that is exactly why they have a 30% consistency rule. And it's also why, or I think that's why they do the intraday trailing drawdown. So those YOLOs and just going all in, YOLO isn't, I mean, there is risk with that. Hey, Wanderer, good morning. Good to see you again. Roger Sam. Looks like everyone took a day off with yesterday's profits. Apex is taking forever to approve my February 15th payout. Yeah. Yeah, mind body. I wouldn't be worried. They just are so lagging. They're just overwhelmed right now. And Wanderer, I've been using code Nutty. Isn't that the same as Nutty Bar, or is that someone else's? Yes, Nutty also works. If you use the code Nutty, that also works. I'm also looking into not changing my code, but making, if you want to, Nutty Bar is kind of, a long code to type out. So I'm going to look if I can't just do NBT as a code. If I just do NBT, then it'll be a lot shorter, a lot faster for people. So, whoa, look at this rip lower. Whoa, snap. So, for those that don't want to type out the full Nutty Bar name, I'm going to look into having an option as just NBT, short for Nutty Bar Trading. That would crush your soul. Whoops, hang on. All right, I'm back. I was on the phone. It was not an accidental mute, so that was not my mute for the day. All right, we are getting the pullback we kind of hoped for, but now it's the matter of how big is the pullback going to be. Oh, I'm so thankful that I was not trapped in this long. It crossed my mind to go long right here. Now, I probably would have been able to get out, but right here is what my nightmare consists of. When we get a pullback to the EMA and I enter, and then it just absolutely dumps. That's what my nightmare is made from. I break out in a cold sweat. I'm like, wait, am I in a position? But we're going to not trade until this volatility dies down. We got to be patient. Hey, Almighty. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you, man. If I get close, if I hit close all positions and then it puts me in a position, would Apex be able to see and give you a PA back? Oh, Omar, man, that's unfortunately usually not. The only time that they will kind of restore accounts is when they actually can see on the back end that Rhythmic was having data issues where people actually couldn't get out of a trade because of the Rhythmic issues. Yeah. Hey, NP, just passed another eval. Let's go. You need to sign it within 48 hours, but you can take pretty long. I'll actually, just FYI, I actually have 2 evals that I passed on the 80%. I think it was the 80% off sale, which was like 2 weeks ago. And I signed the contract, and I still have those 2 evals that are passed. I haven't paid them. They're fine. So I don't know if there's a limit. I know if it goes past your billing date for an eval, then you will get billed again for that eval. But I don't think there's really a limit. And assless chaps. Hey, Dave the Wave. Anytime price is outside of 1 or 2 before the old price will come back to retest before. Oh. Yeah, Omar, I've had that happen before. It's unfortunate. Usually that happens when you're really close to hitting your take profit and you hit close all trades just at the precise exact moment. And it's that kind of split second where you hit close and it hits your take profit, and that actually puts you in a position where you don't mean to be. How do you get a new account, not reset? Need to get a new account. Yeah, Paras. Okay. While I have everyone's attention, we need to have a discussion. Okay? Is everyone listening? So, with my affiliates, at the end of every day, I get sent a report on basically how many people use my code. I can't see who used my code. The only thing I can see is what account was purchased. Okay? And there were multiple people yesterday that were doing resets on their accounts. Which I guess if you have a 300K account, a reset maybe would be okay idea. But I just wanted to say, don't be doing resets on 50K accounts right now. Please just cancel the account or whatever. Just buy a new account. It's way cheaper to buy a new account than it is to do a reset. So, yeah, you just get a new account. Just go to a website and select the account you want and go through the process. That's all you need to do. Hey, no problem, Omar. But yeah, sorry about that. Sucks. I've had it happen to me as well. Hey, Orlando, thank you. I appreciate that. And knowledge by Nutty. Why is it cheaper? Okay, let's go and have some math here. Hang on. So if you do a reset on a 50K account on a Rhythmic, that is what? A reset is... let me just see. A 50K account and you want to do a reset, it's going to cost you $40. Okay. If you just go and buy a new account with a 90% off and use, code whatever, it's $16.70. So I'm not great at math, but I think that's $25.30. $25.30 you can save. You could buy an extra free eval doing that. So don't do resets. The only time it would make sense to do a reset, I think, would be on a 300K account. Let me just look. I'm actually curious. Let me see. Make sure I don't accidentally actually buy a 300K account. So on a 300K account, the cost on a 90% sale is $65.70. So technically, that would be better to do a reset on the 300K accounts than to buy a new one. I'm good at math. I mean, not to brag, but math was my favorite subject in school, but I'm still not great at it. Reset is half and the sale is 71%. No, the sale is 90%. Wait, a 150K account is also cheaper? Win? Hang on. That can't be. We need to do some investigative journalism here. Hang on. So a 150K account on a 90% sale is $29.70. So you're saving $10.30 buying a new account for 150 versus doing a reset. So it's not a huge amount, but it still saves you money to do a new account. So a 250K account, it's probably better to do a reset as well. So the 250K and the 300K account is the only two accounts you should be doing resets for and not. Anyway, so maybe the resets that I saw from my affiliates from yesterday, maybe those resets, there were not a lot of resets, but maybe those resets were people doing 300K accounts. So I'll back off and I'll let you guys go. I just wanted to make sure people understood that you can just, you don't even have, if you want to keep the accounts for next month, at an 80% off rate, then just keep the accounts, but then just buy new ones. Will GAT keep you from trading at night if you adjust settings? Yes, it will, John. I'm going to share a little bit about something about GAT. Because I know, I mean, I feel like I kind of promoted them, and I just want to make clear. So if you're using GAT, and maybe this doesn't happen to you, and if it doesn't, that's great. But if you're using GAT, in my opinion, this is my opinion, I think GAT is great for setting when you're allowed to trade. Like if you don't want to be trading during the night session or pre-market or around 9:30, or if you have major, like if you're always giving profit back during certain times of the day and you want to prevent that, prevent yourself from trading, GAT is great for that. Where I've had major issues with GAT is when you're using the daily loss limit and the daily profit target. And that's why I stopped using it in that way, because I actually had multiple times where, well, basically, I'm not sure what happens, but instead of hitting your daily loss limit and just taking you out of the trade and you're done for the day, it'll take you out of the trade, but accidentally put you in a reverse position. But then what is the worst is it won't allow you to exit. Like you literally, like there's a pop-up that just keeps popping up on your screen telling you that you've hit your daily loss limit. And regardless what you do, you cannot get that pop-up to go away. You can't uninstall it if you just close down using Alt Tab or Alt F4 and just close down that way and open it again. As soon as you open it, that pop-up is going to be there again. The only way you can actually close your position then is to go to NinjaTrader or go to Apex website and close it that way. I had that happen to, I think, 3 different times, and that's when I said no more. And I no longer use GAT for my profit target or for my daily loss limit. I got pretty lucky on a couple of those that it benefited me, but I'm like, I ain't doing that again. Yeah, exactly, Black Coffee. That's exactly what happened to you this morning. Yep. So just a fair warning for those of you that do use Guardian Angel Trader. Just be careful. I don't really know. Like I know he did a couple updates on it. I don't know if that was a glitch in it or there's something wrong, but regardless, it just, yeah, I just stopped doing it. So now I just use the stop trading for the day. That is what I use Guardian Angel Trader for once I hit my loss on the day. Once I'm at a loss for the day, I just go and hit, stop trading for the day. And that's how I use Guardian Angel Trader. So I still like Guardian Angel Trader and using it in that way, but I definitely would not recommend it to use as a profit target or as a loss limit. I don't, not anymore until something gets fixed. All right, we're slowly making a move. Sorry. That was my first accidental mute. That was my first one. Okay. Don't want to hear it. Harass MP. Listen carefully. Do not create an additional login. With Apex, and I mean, you only have one login, and if you want to buy multiple evals, you just go and buy another one on the same login. You do not need a different login to buy another eval. You can buy as many evals as you want on one account. It's Apex will ban you if you create multiple accounts. Christian L, that was my first accidental mute, okay? I don't want to hear it. Yeah, at least the website looks a little better. I agree. uh Slightly better. It's just the key word. What if it's for your wife? If it's for your wife, then you can create another login. But just remember this. You will be asked at some point to verify her identity. Okay, so you can create another login and for your wife if she's going to be trading. But the thing to remember is one household cannot have more than 20 accounts. So if she has the same address as you do, hopefully if she's your wife, that's the case, then you will only be able to have 20 funded accounts between the two of you. You want to see a picture of Daryl's yacht? Heard it's called 90% off. I heard it's called activation fees. They make way more money on activation fees than they do on evals. Not way more money. I shouldn't say way more money, but they make more money on activation fees than they do on evals. Especially for the 90% off. Honestly, I don't think Apex makes that much money. They basically break even when they have their 90% sales. I'm pretty sure. Not 100%. Can you please help me? How can I buy another account? You can't find it? Okay, if you're logged in, if you're logged in, Paras, make sure you're logged in, and on the left-hand side, you should see where it says Rhythmic, and there's a drop down, and right there it says sign up form for 25K, 50K, 75K, 100K. You just click whichever one you want. Left-hand side, there's a Rhythmic, or if you want Tradeovate, then click, do the drop down for Tradeovate. Click on whatever you want. That's going to take you to the purchasing, and you just buy it right there, and then do it again if you want more. Whoa, we going lower. Oh, this makes me nervous now. I don't I don't want this to be a slow move lower all day. Will there be another Apex payouts video? I think, okay, here's the problem, guys. There's a couple problems with the payout videos. That spreadsheet is getting to be so big that even my computer, which is probably the beefiest computer, it's not the beefiest, but it has the best processor you can buy. It has the best graphics card you can buy. And my computer is having a hard time processing that spreadsheet right now. I tried actually last night to bring in all the data for January to do the January payouts video. And I literally can't. I had it crash 3 different times on me last night. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what we're going to do. I don't know. Oh, look at this rip higher. NQ has patterns. Yeah. So I don't know. And there's also, like, just between me and you guys, and I still don't understand this. Like, I really don't. But there are some people. I've gotten some negative feedback from some people at Apex that they would prefer that I don't do it. Now, if I choose not to do it anymore, it's not going to be because they don't want me to do it. But right now, I'm not sure I can do it. The spreadsheet is just so big. Oh, black coffee. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. At the end of the day, I would change some of those settings. Hmm. I enjoyed them too, PVC. I really do want to continue doing them. I really do. I love doing them. Now that maybe I, isn't it gonna be? It's gonna be sweet, like some kind of weird karma. I don't even know. But maybe once I actually get a payout, then that's when I won't be able to keep doing payout videos. That's gonna be hilarious. But I actually have a couple more ideas. I have a couple more ideas to try to help with consolidating the data a little bit better so that the spreadsheet can handle it. Which spreadsheet? The top 10 payout video spreadsheet. I mean, we're talking about over 60,000 line items of data. It's crazy. Yeah, John, we don't want that. By the way, guys, did you see that Bob Anderson he removed the video that he put out yesterday? I'm pretty sure I think from what I heard through the grapevine was that Apex did restore they did give him the funded accounts and they did make it right. But it's kind of a bad look that it took a video to make that happen. Or I feel bad because people that don't have that kind of following probably would have just gotten shafted. So it's kind of it's not really cool, but I think Daryl did mention that he's going to have a talk with his service. He's going to have a talk with his customer service that on how they handled that situation. R5 Studios. Yeah, he was a little bit. Yeah, I was. There were definitely some things that Bob could have seen and be like, "Oh, those are red flags. Something isn't right." That he just didn't see it. But that is one thing, if there's one thing that Apex needs to improve, and I've said this for a long time, it's their customer service. Because I mean, I've had some interactions with customer service that were pretty rude. Pretty rude as well. Depends who you get. I try really, really hard not to bug customer service unless absolutely necessary. Good morning, Traders Chick. How we doing? Yeah. One thing I have noticed with Apex support, you will never get ahead. Like if you are in any way, shape, or form, if you come across to them as rude, it's like you might as well just delete everything because they take it personally and I did that once. Like the guy that the interactions that this was, probably 8 months, 6 months ago. I forget what the situation was or what the issue was, but the guy was just flat out rude to me. And I replied to some extent about, you could use a little crash course in customer service. Like that's what I told him. And man, did that tick him off. He threatened to when I said that, he literally threatened me and said that if I am rude to support, that they will cut off my affiliates. Yeah. I'm like, "Oh, geez. Chill out, dude." But anyway, they definitely could do better in that department. No doubt about it. You've seen some unhinged chats on Facebook. My pet Eskimo. Yeah, I know. if you want to, if you really want to see things go south, just go on the Facebook. Ugh. Hey, Trader's Chick. One sweet comment and they return to normal. Yeah, I agree, Trader's Chick. If I have an issue and if I do need to reach out to customer service, I'm like the most friendly 80-year-old grandma that you can imagine. That's my that's my state of mind. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. How we doing? Uh Hey, Dave the Wave. Take care. Have a good one, man. Oh. Well, this market just does not give me any desire to trade. I need this thing to be going up, not down. Bopper Sabbath. I guess that might be it. They don't take no lip. Oh dear. What? Hang on one second. And we're back. Do you use Rhythmic or TradeAway? I use Rhythmic. One thing I've noticed with Apex customer service, if you find a customer service rep that you like, when you go to submit a new request, put in attention and that guy's name, and that way you will always interact with that person. Little life hack. Back down we go. Wow. All right, let's look a little bit pre-market. The pre-market lows are right at that 17,800 area, so this makes me think we're going to go to 17,800 or 18,000, I mean. Man, my throat is feeling really raw today for some reason. Oh no, Omar. Log into yeah. Oh, really, John? You need to save yours. Close all the windows, make it how you want it, and then save it when you close it. I am new. It is a bad day today. Oh, really? Are you having a bad day, Rizal Khan? We all have it. All right. I want us. Oh man. All right, market. I'm really curious. pretty, I mean, we went, what were we? The highs are 145. We went from the 145s and we're currently at the 135s. So pretty big rip lower. And I was kind of hoping for this, but now it doesn't seem to even want to bounce. I was hoping to buy the pullback and let's ride it back to the top. Might not happen. I'm just waiting for some of this volatility to die down a little bit. Hmm. Whoa, we ripping higher now. Hmm. By the way, guys, I was doing some math yesterday. So basically, I was I was trying to calculate. So the next payout to request a payout, the deadline would be what? March 5th, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it would be 8 trading days away. So at 8 trading days, and I need approximately what, 600 remaining divided by 8 days. That means I only need to make $75, $80 per day. Interesting. And we just keep pulling back. It makes me nervous. I just don't really trust it. Okay, let's see. Are we going to make new lows? Been a pretty steady trend lower. This is where I will be interested, especially if we don't make new lows. Don't trap me here, please. Oh. Oh. Not cool, man. Oh, skin it. Okay, 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 okay. Nobody panic. No need to panic. Everybody stay calm. It's not what I wanted, though. Not what I was looking for. Really? You're gonna go and one tick away? Come on. Don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. No shot. I was one tick away from my take profit there, by the way. One tick. One measly, tiny, itsy bitsy little tick. One tick away. We have officially entered an ass trade, folks. Hold on and enjoy the ride. Let me go get my heart medication. That was upsetting. Unbelievable. Oh my God. All right, now we just gotta hope 18,000 holds. I cannot believe it. One tick away from my take profit. Unbelievable. That's where it gets. Hmm. This is frustrating. Just imagine if it was NQ. Very good point there. Very good point, design. Ah, Max Payne. Unbelievable. All right, I need to go just take a little walk. I'll be right back. All right, I just need to. We'll be fine. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. It is what it is. Unreal. I mean, just rip this thing lower. All right, boys. It is time to shut her down. Shut it down. That was frustrating. That was that was so bull crap. Unbelievable. We were one tick away from our take profit right here. One measly, stupid little tick. I hate this market sometimes. If we bounce here and we retrace that whole move, I'm not, this is not cool. It's okay. Like, it's okay. I'm okay. I actually had a really good day. I mean, just this one trade, it's all it takes. The strategy is unsustainable because no matter how much you win, the one loss destroys you. All right, Nemac or Namak, here. Explain this then. If one loss destroys me, then how come I'm still $748 in profit? If you can explain that, I'm listening. It's just, I mean, it's fine. Like, it just sucks. It's more that I'm just frustrated by one tick away from my take profit. And then, like, what are the change? Like, that's just, to me, bullcrap. One tick away, and then we rip 50 points lower. Just insane. Over the long run, it has to be seen that the risk reward is not in your favor. Like I just said, Namak, I mean, your math doesn't add up. I mean, I get it. It's not cool. I mean, I'm not saying it's great, but in the long run, so for example, I've had 5 accounts, okay? I've had 5 accounts. Actually, no, I've had a total of 6 accounts. I've had a total of 6 accounts that I've taken a $600 loss on. Basically like this. And of those 6 accounts, only 1 account have I lost. The remaining 5 accounts are back up to above 2,000 in profit. No, it's all good, Namak. But I'm just, I guess I would, what my point was, yeah, we're down $635 on this account, but overall for the day, I'm up 748 because of this same strategy that I'm using on the other accounts. I get that, or that's my point. But yeah, it is what it is. Obviously, it takes a high win percentage. I mean, that I'm not stupid. I know that. But it's different. Like $600 is kind of was the spot, where it makes sense. Like $600 loss, I can recover from, is my point. It's not like I'm taking a $2,000 loss where it's virtually, really difficult to recover from. Where a $600 loss, you can recover from that. Like 2 to 3 really good days, you can recover. Oh, that's so frustrating. What a bastard. Yeah, Namak. Obviously, that's what I mean by my overall win percentage has to be high, which it is. Right now, my win percentage is, since doing this strategy, my win percentage is 87%. But yeah, if my win percentage goes below 75%, we will have problems. No doubt about it. But I'm glad we switched to micros today. I'm thankful for that. I mean, it wouldn't have been a different result, really, because my stop would have been probably somewhere here. I guess it really wouldn't have mattered. But I mean, I'm not that upset about my entry at all. It was just one of them. It's just one of those things, I know the argument could definitely be made that I should have been going with the trend. Yeah, and that's true. I wanted to be buying at the bottom of this channel. And I was. Oh, anyway. You bastard market. Pretty decent pullback happening here. Now I'm just trying to think what I want to do. One tick away. That's what upsets me. Yep. No, you're good, Namak. I get, like, okay, 4 months ago, if someone would have told me that I'm going to be trading with a $600 stop loss and a $40 take profit, I would have told you you're crazy. I would have told you there's no way I'm ever doing that. But I decided, you know what? I'm going to try it. And I tried it, and here we are. That's all I can say. Here we are, and we're making more progress than we've ever made in the past. So it's working. Does it work every time? Will there be failures? For sure, but I guess the proof is in the pudding. Ah. Where did I find the idea to try? I mean, I've always okay, so right when I first started and I was looking to trade all 20 accounts. Okay, and then when I was thinking of trading all 20 accounts at the same time, I was actually contemplating entering and taking trades with one mini and looking for 5 ticks. Okay? Like, I was literally, that was actually I was really considering doing that strategy. And I tried it on the sim account for quite a bit, and I realized the risk to ruin was very high. you just need to have one bad entry and you can have severe losses. And doing that across all 20 accounts, trading at the same time, that is when it would not be sustainable. Like if I was trading all 20 accounts or all 18 accounts, copy trading them all at the same time, then it wouldn't be sustainable, 100%. But the fact that I'm just doing it on one account, and once I hit that loss on one account, then I move and I change it. So I had kind of originally had the idea of doing it on 20 accounts, and then I kind of gave up on it. And then also another big part of it was watching Alpine scalp in the way that he scalps, also was like, man, maybe I should try it. And now I do it differently. Obviously, I don't do it like Alpine does, but he definitely showed that it is possible. I think Alpine trades with 8 tick profit target or 10 or 7. I'm not sure. But then he does, obviously he usually doesn't use a stop loss. So, and that's kind of what I looked into. And then I was like, okay, like 12 to 13 ticks as my take profit is what I decided. That's what I tested it on and I felt pretty confident on. And then it was more about determining my stop. And my stop was more about, okay, I want to have a stop that gives me a ton of wiggle room. Like I want to have a lot of wiggle room, but I also want that stop not to be like where I will blow the account if it hits the stop loss. So, I mean, that's why I basically settled on $650 loss. I felt with this, $650 loss, you can still recover from, and give your account a good, at least a fair chance to make it back. But anyway, I'm not saying it's perfect. It's just kind of what I decided on. And I mean, I remember yesterday I talked about we have to accept a $600 loss day. We got to accept it. Here we are. We got to accept it now. It is what it is. It's unfortunate, but I mean, gosh, I'm just so frustrated. One tick away, and then it does that. Come on. It's just, you can't make it up. You think market environment affect your results, let's say on a bear market? Yeah, I definitely will, Milton. I mean, I feel like today it's kind of rough because I was looking for this to pull back, and this was an area that I was willing to buy at, and it just did not work, did not hold. All I needed was just that. All I needed on this move, all I needed was just this channel to continue. I don't need it to reverse here. I just need the channel to continue. I just need it to keep making lower highs. That's all I need. And I'm not upset about my entry there. That's when it decided to rip 50 points lower. What can I do? It is what it is. Sometimes we just got to accept the loss. Yeah, adding a break even, I tried at TS Leon, but with scalping, that is just a no-go. You will have so many break even trades that it affects your win-loss way too much. Why not short? I mean, it's a great question and a valid question, but why I don't short is this reason right here. Right there. Or this reason. I just don't want to. I mean, yeah, the short-term trend was, lower, but the overall trend is higher lately. I just don't want to be short. I just picked the wrong time, man. Now I just need to shut down the trading for the day. I'm actually thinking about buying some evals. Maybe we just trade some evals the rest of the day. Thoughts? What do you guys think? Since I'm a day trader, you can't trade overall trend. I mean, I disagree. I disagree. RM trades, I know. you know what I'm talking about it. Bottom line, yeah, I mean, obviously to each his own. But I'm trying to think, do I want to buy, what do we want to do? We want to do 150K? I'm kind of feeling like doing a 150K account. I want to stop trading for the day. Hang on, I'm going to put on the full screen cam. This is a warning just so you guys don't get scared. I'm about to go full screen mode. Yesterday I had someone get scared when I did that. All right, let's use that 90%. I haven't even bought an eval yet on this sale. I guess I might as well. Hang on. I'm trying to think. Do I want to do I think we're going to do the 150K. Man, I love 90% sales. Oh, it just for $29.70, you can get a 150K account. That's actually insane. That is actually OP. Now, hopefully it doesn't take half a day to activate this account. All right. Give me a second. I need to turn off trading for all of my accounts now. It always takes a second. I can't do it for the day on all account, like because I want to trade this one eval. I have to go through and do it individually. But this is where Guardian Angel Trader really does come in handy. Or this is what I use it for. But on this account, on Monday, I will probably switch back to trading minis now just because I want to get this account recovered. It's going to be a lot harder to do that with 5 micros with a scalping. Okay. We will end the day. I mean, this is what I love about trading multiple accounts, even though $600 loss, still up 748 on the day. So it still doesn't feel quite as bad versus trading all 20 accounts and taking a loss like that would that would make you want to puke. All right, let's see if the account is active. Actually, here, you guys can watch. Anyone YOLOing shorts today probably passed all their evals. Yeah, if you, that's what you were looking for, 100%. Here goes nothing. It's Friday. Let's see if we can do some damage on a 150K account. It's going to be a 1-day pass challenge. We're going to either have 9K in profit or we're going to blow the account. Let's see what we can do. First, we need to make sure it's actually active. Does not look like it's still. I wish I had it because I wouldn't mind being long here. It's going to make me a little sad if this thing retraces this whole move. Bastard. We would have had to sit through another, let's see, 46 was the low. So 20 points more. We would have had to sit through about $850 of drawdown in order to survive this rip lower. Feels bad. It is a bastard RM trades. That's how I feel. Do I use groups? Interested to see how you approach. Oh yeah, you'll see how I trade my evals. Doesn't always pan out, but actually the way, if I actually was wanting to look to trade an eval, like a 50K and pass it, I will do. I'll probably be more like, I'll trade a lot more at the open. Oh. Oh, NC. I'm sorry, but you can only buy one eval at a time. I know it sucks, but that is the way it is. You just gotta, yeah. I wish you could put in a quantity. Actually, it's probably good they don't, because I would probably buy way too many evals. Daryl's out there on a satellite phone screaming. Design, you're crazy. But yeah, it's definitely. Oh man, I'm so. All right, we're going to get over it. I'm still waiting for the account to activate. Hang on. This might, I don't know. Does someone know the Rhythmic accounts? Are they pretty backed up or not? Oh, mamma mia. Give me my account. I want to trade. I'm missing this move. Oh, man. It took a few minutes early this morning as you chewed through evals like a wet paper bag. I love it, RM trades. Like, let's have a contest. How many evals is it possible if you put in as much effort as possible? How many evals can you blow in one day? Do that challenge. I would still be 200 plus if I had the 800 today. Oh man. All right, I'm still waiting. Sometimes let me disconnect and reconnect, because sometimes they'll actually will be live before I get an email. Disconnect and reconnect. Whoa. I just saw my life flash before my eyes for a split second there. Your challenge, y'all. I'm going to crash them. If you get a boat, I swear we'll name it SS Trilling Drawdown. Oh, you guys are funny. No, you should go fishing with PW and TT and help you with the snow. Nope, I do not want to get involved in that situation. I am not interested at all. All right, do we have a new account? Oh, we do. Let's go. There she is, all nice and perfect. Okay, let me get this account. All right, who's ready for some fun? You know what I was thinking about doing? We should maybe do a chat trading again. Let the chat take the trades. Who wants to do it? I'm trying to, like, I wonder if there's a better way. I wish there was a better way to do the chat trading. Usually I do a poll, but the thing is, people have to be on top of their ball, on top of the ball, And we have to have the voting be very fast because, or here's, I mean, so the way that I'm going to do it, we're going to do it with 5 contracts, but we're not going to scalp. We're going to look for bigger moves, at least when I start the eval. As we get closer to the profit threshold, then we'll go into more of a scalping mentality. I actually need to change. Do a poll and fade chat. Nope. All right, here we go. We're going to do a poll. And so the time on the clock is at 11:37 right now. And we're going to 11:39 is when this is going to go. We're going to take the trade at precisely 11:39, whatever you guys decide. Okay? Vote now. Hurry, 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 hurry. You have 1 minute. Don't be wrong. You can't imagine the pain and suffering that we will go through by losing $29.70. $20 seconds. All right, it looks like we're going long. 2 seconds. Boom, we're in. And immediately we're down $400. Oh, hang on. Okay. Now becomes this is where it gets a little tricky because I would almost want to have my stop like below this. We're going to give this plenty of room to make a move if it wants to. We need it to break out right here. We got kind of a bad fill right at the top of that range, so all right, come on, rip it. This is so much less stress than trading the funded accounts. The only thing the world knows is long. By the way, there was 62% said long, 38% of you said short. Let's see, if we do a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio here, we have a 38 3/4. So I'm fine doing 1-to-1 here. Right there, there's the 1-to-1. We can take profit maybe. Well, I don't even know. With 5 contracts, I don't even know. We might. How big is our loss if we take a loss there? I'm not even sure. Let me count. Oh, yeah, we'll be all right. Uh-oh. Oh, did you see that fake out? Oh, the shorts all got trapped right there. The shorts just got trapped. See you later. Adios. We are out of here. This thing is going to rip. Maybe. What is going on? Never mind. Don't mind me. Is there some kind of news that... Nope. No news. Just volatility. I don't know, guys. It's not looking good. Ah, man, this is so much easier. I told you, fade the chat. Now who's called? It was the old double switcheroo. They first trap shorts, now trap longs. Who knows? I wonder what the poll would be if I would do another poll, long or short now. I still like the longs here. Kinda. Add another 5? Actually, I could. If I add 5 more contracts here and then we get stopped out, it's going to blow the account. Not that we care. Maybe we should. Kind of putting in support here at the 18,000. Hey, investors, how's it going? Oh, we're doing fine. We're just trading evals today or the rest of the day. Or you could add above this if it breaks out. You could also do that. That would be probably smarter. We'll leave it for now and hope we break out. And then if we pull back, we'll add maybe on the pullback. We first have to break out though. Hey, good luck, Ina. Good luck. Watch it just go sideways now. The rest is like for the next hour. Okay, boys. Starting to feel a little tipsy here. I don't know if you can hear that, but the kid and the dog are having a round. You're stuck long to contract steep. Oh no, black coffee. Here. Let's all hope for a rip higher here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Ribbit. Ask yourself, why would it go up? I don't need to know why. It just needs to go up. Why would it go up? I mean, because it can. You would bet your house on these longs. The more confidence I get on with chat, the more I'm like, But then I remember I have like the smartest traders and the best chat traders on all of YouTube. So I think we're going to be fine. Hey, let's go, black coffee. Let's go. And the main reason is because the market just goes up until I'm in a trade. Then it only goes down. But hey, whatever. Oh, market, could you please at least do something? We need more from you than this. Yeah, we probably need to go ask. By the way, guys, did you guys watch the E-Man trading video on ICT? I haven't laughed that hard at a video in a long time. That was funny. Hey, nice black coffee. Yeah. He calls other people out, which is great, but he's so obnoxious. Yeah, it's a little bit like one thing I wish E-Man would kind of do is okay, so I wish he would like he comes across like he's the only trader on YouTube that's transparent, or I mean that's kind of what sometimes it kind of feels like that, but he obviously has an agenda as well, you know. He's trying to grow his YouTube channel. He's trying to, you know, and that's fine. But that latest video was absolutely hilarious. Oh, it was so funny. All right, market. This is going to test us here, folks. Uh-oh. I'm trying to I'm a little bit nervous having my stop right here if I'm just being completely honest, because I could see this thing wick lower and then make its move higher. Everyone's going to have their stop right here. So I'm going to move it down a little bit more, and we can move this up. There we go. I like that better. Rip it. We need the shorts to be trapped. That's what we need to this for this to really move. We need the shorts to be trapped. So basically what we need is that we need this thing to, you know, maybe this was it right here. Either we need to take out a lot of stops or trap the shorts and then we're going to make the move. Might have been it right here. Dipped right below the 18,000s. Now we gonna rip it. Rip it. Come on, we need this thing to break out. Everybody push. Come on. Everybody push. This is gonna just tease us. Why you be like this? What the market doesn't realize is we have diamond hands. We are not getting out of this trade. So you might as well go higher, you know? Rip it. Rip it. I needs to really, I don't want to add contracts until we actually rip higher and break out. And then I'm looking for a pullback to then add contracts. That's how I would prefer to add. How do I usually know when to get in and out? I mean, to be honest, I don't. You just kind of have to do what you think is right and then you go with it. You're not going to always be right. I can assure you of that. And then you just accept it. You just are okay with being wrong sometimes. Come on, this thing's not ripping like I want it to. We need one of them big boner candles. You spin a wheel with different price ranges on it. I love it. It's a proven very, very well strategy. Adding to losers is how you become a winner, Max Prosser. That is kind of true if you have an infinite supply of money. Hey, boner candle incoming. Everybody stand by. Everybody stand by. Boner candle incoming. See, we do have the smartest chat. This channel has the best chat in all of YouTube. Proven right here, live. Best day trading chat on YouTube. Let's go. Nope, I'm not taking any off here. Stop isn't being moved. If we move, I'm a little bit concerned about this level right here. The 1840s, we might get some resistance there. So if we do, that's where we might get a pullback. And then that's where we'll see. But we could add a contract there. And we could get a pullback. We could get some pullbacks here, so that's fine. No one needs to panic. Disable FOMO mode. $18.45 is a 50% retracement. Okay. You know what? You know what we need to do? We need to take profit right here. Because do you know what this is? This is where our initial profit target would have been if we were still in our original ass trade. So if we hit our profit target, if we hit this profit target, it means we could have held. It's taking its good old time, but we're slowly. Black coffee, are you in this? Are you in this? Hey, go SPBC. Take care, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Nice, black coffee. Let's go. Rip it. There we go. Rip it. The more you watch the price, the less it moves. I've noticed that. Hey, let's go. Up 22.30 on the 300K. Let's go. Rip it. Let's go. Let's go. Might take my profit here if it can get me out. If not, okay, now we're going to get our pullback, which is fine. What was the high there? 38.5? I told you. Man, I kind of want to just keep it going. Just let it rip. There we go. Okay, now I can move my stop to here. All right, we're just going to let this baby go. Right here would have been our profit. We would have taken profit right here. I want to see if it would hit it. And look at that. We would be out of our pain if we would have just held through all this mess. Oh, man. I knew the market only goes higher, but all right, we're going to lock it in here, and we're going to look for our next trade. That way we don't have to deal with drawdown. In case it does pull back. Nice trade, chat. Give you guys all a pat on the back, guys. Nice trading by chat. Sorry, DL. It was too late. Sorry. Diamond hands. All right, now we just need a pullback. Come on, baby, pull it back. I'm thinking, I mean, are we all on the same page that we just need a pullback and we continue to go higher? I don't think, do we need to do another poll? I would love to get in again, like around here. Uh-oh. We might have missed the boat. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, this is good. This is good. All right, this is good. I think we're going to get a pullback here. We need a pull. I mean, there would be an argument here to go short. I think we did touch the 50s. We touched the 50s. We touched VWAP. And I guess I could see someone making an argument to go short. So why don't we do another poll? And we're going to be entering at precisely 12:06. Vote now. Hurry. Oh, I want to get in on this right here. But we're going to wait. I'm going to be so disappointed if we're going short. I'm going to be so disappointed if the voting is to go short. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Let's go. Hey, Black Coffee, did you you hit your target, right? Let's go. I wish I would have just entered. We're going to miss it. We're going to miss it. 90 or 50 seconds. Oh, it's going to leave without us. Hey, the rules are the rules. Yeah, Black Coffee, I hear you. Maybe we'll get a pullback. All right. 20 seconds. 20 seconds remaining. No shot. We are going to go short. Oh, my stars. You guys are going to give me a heart attack. All right. I guess we're going short, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going short. I don't make the rules, man. 62% said short. I think you guys just want me. You just want me to lose money, don't you? It's all good. All right, where's our stop? I mean, I don't even know. Wait, we're actually making money? Hold up. Wait a minute. Maybe you guys are actually geniuses. Where do we take profit? Like right now? I want to just take profit right here. Can I? Is that allowed? Can I just take profit right here? Please? Oh, I'm about to do it. I did it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If this rips lower, you guys have full authority to say, I told you so. Okay. Everyone can say, I told you so. Okay. Everyone. It's total free. Uh-oh. It's actually doing it. You guys are actual geniuses. You guys are actual geniuses. If this comes all the way back down to like the 1820s, I'll never recover. Please don't do it, market. Please go up. Dang on it. No. I told you. Market, I'm begging you. Oh, please. Yes, thank you. Rip it. Go up. I'm not even in a trade. I've never wanted the market to go higher. Whew. Okay, go up, market. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what we like. Okay, I feel better already. You guys cannot say I told you so. When the owner goes back to his old ways. The close of this 15-minute candle. Look at this. Okay, can we take a second? Can we just all just take a little pause and break it? So DL, I mean, I guess I could do that, but when I trade evals, usually I'm in and out, full contracts because of the draw. I don't know. Sorry, DL. You keep yelling at me. Exactly, Camber trades. I just want this thing to rip higher now. All right, let's wait, see what price action does a little bit, and then we'll do another poll. But so far, you guys have 100% win rate. All right, what more do you want? Maybe I left about $1,000 on the table there, but that's, that's fine. Yeah, that's true. If I would have traded at 50K, we'd be done already. But where would be the fun in that? Then we'd be done. Then what would we do? You forgot to uncapitalize. You're good, STL. I was envisioning you red-faced, complete open mouth, full volume, yelling at me. That's what I envisioned. But it's all good. Okay. Man. If we just would have held this trade, we'd be in the green now. That does bother me just a little bit. This stupid market. Wait, no, it wasn't this move. Hang on. Where did I enter my trade? It was right here. So right here, I would have already been out and we would have hit the profit target easily. Oh. Oh. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I keep telling myself it's fine. Yet I see a $600 loss and then it's not fine. Okay, just let the record reflect that if I didn't take profit, we'd be probably looking at a loss right now. Okay? Let's just let the record reflect. Now, do we need to make another poll? Is it time to do another poll? 50K pass, Georgian. Let's go. I should have been in 10 contracts. It would have passed. True. We wouldn't have passed yet. It would have been close. 1879 to 80. Yeah, I would agree with that. All right, let's do a quick poll. Get ready to vote because this poll is going to be very short. Takes me too long to create the poll. All right, you have 45 seconds to vote. Do it now. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry. 30 seconds. Oh, I love the entry right here. Hurry, hurry. Oh, keep pulling back here. This would be good. Keep pulling back. I like it. I like it. Please don't make me go short. Please, I'm begging you. Yes. So far, so good. No. Yes. No. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We're in, baby. We're going to look to take profits right around the 78th. Cross your fingers, cross your toes, do whatever you got to do. Okay, the poll ended. It was the longs were winning. Okay, I promise it was. I promise the longs were winning. I'm ending the poll. Yes, I ended it, and then the longs were winning. Let's go. When I entered, it said long. I promise. Professional here. Oh. Uh-oh. Houston, we might have a problem. Houston, we might have a problem. Hey, Pips and Beyond, let's go. Nicely done. Congrats. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, folks. We might have a problem here. All right, what's going on out here? The dog is going crazy. All right, we just wanted to come test the EMA here. Now we're going to go up, I hope. Not looking good, though. Maybe we need to go back and look at the video evidence. It's a fancy green screen. It's a curtain. It's a curtain. Can you now say I told you so? Yeah, that's allowed. Boy. Trying to think what we want to do here with the stop. I think we keep the stop where it is. Questioning is, do we want to add here or not? Ah, this is not looking good. We're going to lose about 3,000 of drawdown here. Ouch. It's all but a flesh wound. Yeah. I don't shy away from a good challenge. Chat is stressing, Nutty. We won the shorts. Yeah, I almost want to go back and look at the video replay to see. I mean, I was pretty sure that the longs were winning when right at the time when I entered, but it'd be funny. It would be funny if they weren't. It's all right. We're not done yet. It's not over. This is gambling, not trading. Tech T111. Hey, you can call it whatever you want, whatever helps you sleep at night. I'm going to call it trading, okay? Ooh, ribbit. When 8K and drawdown now up money. Wait, are you serious, John? Hey, don't say a word. I didn't hear anything. Let's not talk about it, John. You just pretend like nothing's wrong. You tell him, Nutty. Did I crush it on the funded accounts and now we're going on eval, Pete? You define, I think you need to be better with, or define crushing it. If you mean by crushing it, as in I entered long right here and then took a loss right here, if that's your definition of crushing it, then yeah, we crushed it. But no, it wasn't it's not a bad day though. It's not a bad day. We're all good. Overall, we did okay. That's what matters. Rip it. You mean crushing it, doing good. Oh, okay. Then in that context, I guess we were kind of well, here, this is where we're at on the day. We have one account at a $600 loss, and then the other accounts are doing great, and then we have this account. So all in all, I feel pretty neutral. Yep, we did stick to the plan. Almost my 3,000 profit goal. Let's go, Wayne Murphy. Is chat trading? Yes, chat is taking trades. Sometimes I might override them, but yes. Do you feel like having multiple accounts is better for you in order to sustain your trading long term? I do, Pips and Beyond. I do. If I plan on just taking all of it, or I plan to take a large sum of it, yes. Not 100% sure yet. All right, we need to keep. This thing needs to rip. We can't have this thing roll over now. If I live stream every day, yep, pretty much. Some days I have something going on that I can't, but for the most part, yes. Ribbit. Hmm. Rip it. Rip it. Oh. Since I passed the 50K so fast and Apex still has a 90% deal, maybe I'll use your code again and go grab another. Hey, Pips and Beyond. I mean, I do what you feel is right. Um, yeah. and good luck, Pips and Beyond. You bought 15 50K evals with code and 5 with Alpine. Let's go, Jerry. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Hey, Black Beauty Machine. How we doing? All right, boys. It's time. The moment of truth is here. This is going to hold or not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Mm-mm-mm. Not looking good at all. We're going to have our work cut out for us now. Well, we keep failing to make new highs, so yeah, this thing's gonna stop us out. Wah wah wah. And there she blows. All right. Regroup. Regroup here. Now we gotta be. All right, I want to actually go look at the video, see if you guys were, if the chat actually said the short. I want to know. I want to know. Yeah, this thing ripping lower now. Yeah, I can't tell. Anyway, too bad. The second cold cutout almost instantly would have been your big second winner. Need patience. Yeah. Oh yeah. I guess that is true. If I would have held this one, ooh, that's true too. We're not going to talk about that. Get some professional training. Wait, did you vote short, Mr. Wall Street? I'm not sure how we can prove that, but you trade professionally, not pulls. Hey, you might be missing out. You never know. Hey, that's awesome, Headbanger Finance. We got a professional in the chat, folks. We've got a professional. Oh, okay. Hang on. We might jump back in here. I still like longs. I really do. And I'm not even going to do a poll. You guys are just going to have to deal with it. Or I'm going to have to deal with it. If you get paid for your hobbies, you're a professional. Oh, interesting. I trade unprofessionally. Same. I trade unprofessionally too. It's actually let's see if we're going to fight the trend here a little bit. I mean, the overall, I don't know, man. I might have it wrong. Uh-oh. This is a little bit. Hang on to your britches. Uh-oh. She gone. Oh, that was close. We're going to lose it. We were like $15 away from our drawdown right there. If it goes one tick further down, $30 is gone. How will we ever survive? Maybe it will. Maybe this market's actually going to pull back again, test these lows. Unbelievable. It could. And this thing really needs to get ripping here if we have a chance. And we're going to be blown. In 3, 2, everybody say their goodbyes. Oh. And we're gone. Oh, maybe not. Yep. Nope. Hold on. There she goes. Or I thought it was. Yeah, we're done. Rest in peace. Yeah, well, that was fun, I guess. I think it was $30 worth of entertainment. At least. We told you. Oh, now it's gonna rip. This will be funny. This will be funny. If it rips all the way up again, this will be funny. Actually hilarious. Oh, I don't even care. +3 to almost minus. Yeah, it's an eval. Don't nobody everybody keep your pants on. Hmm. What's entertaining to watch my 8K drawdown turn into a 2K winner? Please care, Nutty. Please care. Oh no. It was here for a D, that's exactly right. The 150K was here for a good time, not for a long time. Oh, that's funny. Could have done that in sim for nothing. Again, EJ, if you think $30 is gonna make a big difference, hey, you do you, man. I'll be all right. Oh, it always it really cracks me up when I see the 1 day pass evals and I can see, you know, trust me, people are YOLOing accounts left and right. And then as soon as a streamer does it, you always have a couple people freaking out like, "Oh my gosh, you're gambling." Or they're like, "Oh, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't have done it." Blah blah blah. Like, get a grip, dude. Like, for real, it's like hilarious. Meanwhile, they just went through 15 evals doing the same thing. uh, this is actually hilarious, though. Look at where we got stopped out. I mean, that's actually impressive. Like, truly impressive. Only 15. Yep, we did, K Trader. It was a challenge. The 23, then the 61. Let's see. I like looking at the fib levels. I don't really use them that much, but I do kind of use them. So we had one there and there. I mean, that doesn't exactly match, but I guess. Or is that what you're looking at? Man, I hope this thing rips all the way up again. That is that is like precisely stopped right, like precisely at the tick. Can anyone see my messages? Yep. You're live. You're here. Hmm. Surgery. No, we can't. Oh, what time is it? 12:30. Oh, let me check something. Holy, what? Oh my gosh, guys. This is actually insane. This is actually crazy. How is that possible? How? How is it even possible? Oh man, that is crazy. I saved you, John. You're welcome. Oh, look. I mean, look at this. This is insane. Right there's where we stopped out. I don't even know how that's possible. It didn't even wick one tick below it. Look at that. That is crazy. Oh, that is crazy. Powell and Daryl are watching. I mean, it's only an eval, so I really don't care, but it's more just it's funny. It's actually crazy. It's impressive. Mm. Mm. And the Charlie Brown of trading. Maybe I need to rename my channel. Charlie Brown Trading. And Lucy is the market pulling the football away. Yeah, exactly. Uh Liquidity seems quite solid, as I mentioned, just about taking out previous lows. I mean, it could. I don't know. Oh boy, now we're pulling back again. I don't know, man. This market, I definitely don't really have a good grip on this market. I feel like, I mean, after this, I thought we'd make a move and start ripping it higher, but does not feel that way. Could be just going sideways till the close. I don't know. I have no idea. And they say you can't pick the tops and bottoms. Exactly, Matthew Kiefer. They've never seen me do it. I'm very well at picking the tops and bottoms. Now, it might be, you know, kind of the reverse of what you're looking to do, but hey. If I've tried trading CL, not recently. I did trade CL for um it, you know, 6 7 months ago. I did for a little bit, but never that I traded it for an extended a period of time. Do you feel like going all in 15 and risking the entire eval? This eval is blown. This right here, this is where the drawdown was hit, right precisely there. Which is why it's pretty funny. Hey, good luck, Mr. Push Up. Hmm. That's right, John. I did. I'm curious at the end of the day if that it will still be like that. But we were up like 3,400 or something like that at one point. Yeah, let's, no one. All right. Now I'm not sure what I want to do. I guess. Oh. I don't know that I want to buy another eval. Not really in the mood to do that. And the other trading, we're done for the day. Flopping around, $80 profit all day. Just flopping around. I actually, I don't really see what else we can. I don't see what else there is to do. I can't trade my funded accounts. I shut her down. We could buy another eval. I don't know. I'm not really in the mood. I am going to buy more evals at some point, but I'm going to buy 50Ks and I'm basically going to buy them as a backup in case I get to a payout. And if I take out the full amount, obviously I'm going to lose some accounts. So I'm going to buy some for that reason, but I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it a day. There's no need to sit here and I don't want to bore you guys just chatting. I'm going to, yeah, I think we'll call it a day here. We'll be back Monday. Hopefully hopefully this streaming account, we're gonna have to try and, we're going to focus on that account, see if we can't bring it back again. That account, that was actually that streaming account, that was the account that we were at one point $1,000 away from blowing the account. We brought it all the way back, and now we have a $600 loss to deal with. But let's make fun of PW videos. There are some things that we could definitely do, but probably wouldn't be productive. Hey, futures trader, thank you. I appreciate that. All right, everybody, I'm going to call it there, and it wasn't a terrible day. Do my recap video and then chill out. I got some work I can get done too. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay safe. And again, just a reminder, the 90% sale ends at Sunday midnight. Sunday midnight is the end of the 90% sale, but the 1 day pass goes until Wednesday the 27th. So just FYI. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. Take care. Thanks for hanging out, and God bless.